friends, today we are going to see how we are going to deploy an instance among AWS console. This is a console uh, is AWS provided us to launch each and every services available with them. See, before launching any instance, you should ensure which region you are at. Since it is a free tier account and also I'm under practice, so I am having access to limited regions, which means I am not able to another regions. We may have it, but no issues. We can this many regions is enough to do our practice. Okay, so upon selection suitable region, you may go to the this is a home page. If you are not sure, you just click here. It will be redirected to your home page. From there, you should click these 9 dots. Okay, they're all services. See, you can see there are some multiple services. Actually, Amazon is having around 300 plus services, which is some major services. If you do going the root level, it comes around 900 plus services. So you just check for EC2 or else you come here, recently visited, or you better go here, just type EC2, see services EC2. From there you can select. After selecting here, generally you know what is EC2, but Amazon here they are giving full description about these services, how it is used for, like EC2 offers ultimately scalabilities and many things. So you may learn it from here as well. So after reaching this page, just go to the launch instance. Don't worry, launch instance in the sense it's not immediately launching instance. You should provide few terminologies to achieve that. See, this is a tag or name you should provide for your instance. For example, I am just giving a VM test 4 for a tag as my setup. Here you should check for the which OS to be configured at your proposed setup. I am just going with Windows. Why? Because for Windows is user friendly for beginners. See, whenever you are selecting the services, you should ensure whether it is comes under a free tier. Free tier means Amazon won't charge you for educational purpose. Otherwise, they will having their own charging tariffs. So you should mind whenever you're selecting any services in the console. At the same time, for CPU RAM level, this is a T2 dot micro is enough. So by default, it's already available. See that label itself, it's showing it's a free one. And also, next step, you should create a key pairs. Why key pair is required is these are the credentials for your proposed setup. Uh, this key pair consists of two parts. One is private, another one is public. Private is for us, it will be downloaded with our system, local computer after creating it. Public is kept with Amazon console itself. See, before creating, I just name it for what is the name for my key pair? Test. Sorry, test and 4. Just I'm creating key pair. Since it is a Windows PC, by default it comes under RS algorithm. Whenever any keeper is download, the default format is PEM. You can directly go with that. You should not require any modification. If you are using PPK means for it comes under additional tool with putty. We don't require as of now. You just name for your keeper test. Sorry, VM test under 4. I'm just creating a keeper. It's downloaded. Okay. Next, since we are just creating instance, so you don't worry about these settings in the in-depth manner. Just go for a firewall. Just create security group. Just leave it for now. We will discuss later in our videos. allow RDP. Since you are reaching your setups through remote desktop protocol, ensure this will be always checked. Otherwise, you are not able to reach your setup. Okay, and anywhere my IP you can customize whoever can reach this setup. So anywhere, no issues. This is HTTP secured. Actually, HTTP is not recommended since nowadays we are all using HTTPS. So you can directly go with HTTPS. That's it. With respect to the storage, you can decide how much storage your proposed setup is going to be have. So in that aspect, by default, it comes around 30 GB. If you are selected more, it would comes under additional. See, it automatically tells that free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of EBS general purpose or magnetic storage. So just by default, it's only 30 GB. So just leave it. Advanced details also, yeah, as of now, you don't want to touch it. Just be with the be stick, just stick with the current settings. Next, you just click then you get the summary of the services what you selected, right? Before before launching any instance, you may check here as well. As a final confirmation, I am going for launching instance. See now the instance is being ready and also successfully launched. Okay, you may connect the instance to sorry what you have created. Just connect to instance. Since we have created RDP client, so we need to go RDP client. For getting credential to log in your created setup, you need to come the down part of RDP client and get password. See, we just now within matter of seconds we have created the hosting setup. Since Amazon is having a breathing period of 4 minutes to sync with around the globe, so we should wait for the 4 minutes at least. Then only you able to reach your console through the credential what you created. So just we are waiting for to our host is replicating around the globe. Then we may go for login. Actually, after using this first time, I really wondering how simple it is, and also why people going towards the cloud. To be frank, which is a very easiest process as of now in the planet. Why I'm saying is I'm working in the banking IT related sector for purchasing servers and making them in up condition. It would take around us 2 to 3 months. Why need to we need to discuss with vendors. We need to fix the prices. Based on that, we need to get approval from our management. After that, we need to release the purchase order. Based on that, they need to honor the purchase order within the stipulated timeline. Then server will be delivered. OEM has to come and check the feasibility to install the same. After their installation, server will be ready to use. It's a very big process. Really, I'm saying. Not only the server. Server is a hardware equipment. To functioning of the same, a few license is there. That license part also the same procurement process is there. It's a very tough and time consuming process. Actually, after seeing this first time, I really wondered what a very easiest method available right now. Okay, now we are going for the password. See, now it's ready to decrypt the to your private key. Just upload the private key what you have downloaded under the keeper section. Just upload. It will decrypt your password. You will get the password here. Come to here, just copy your password and go to the client. You just see here. You need to get the RDP file to launch your instance. I already downloaded, so I'm going to download. I'm just opening this RDB file. See, once you launch that RDB file, it will open in under Windows Remote Desktop Connect. I am already downloaded. If you are not downloaded, you may download from the internet. It's asking some notifications now. Yes, we will just proceed with that. Now we are redirecting to the setup what we have created. We almost reach it. See how easy it is. I hope you people are also get wondering. It's a first initial setup, right? So that's why it's take time. If you are launching the second time means it will become in a matter of seconds. So you no need to worry about it. Just stick with me for a few seconds. Yeah, we got it. See, now we are landed our server setup. What we have created, you can check here. This is the first time. That's why that lag is there. So we don't need not to worry about at present. You just go for the file explorer. See, this is your PC setup. What you configured, right? We have selected 30 GB, right? That 30 GB is showing here. It's only around 10 GB since there is a license. Windows need to take some memory to run the setup, right? So that's why this difference. From here, this is your present host allocated for the server by the Amazon for this. This is the IP address. This is the browser what we have used. This is the availability zone. This zone is coming under that region what we have selected. This is the architecture AMD 64. I don't know what it is at present. We will discuss later. Total memory of RAM, I think. Network load to moderate. Okay. Now we already completed. We come to the end of this video. Thank you so much. We will at present we just configure the instance. We will see in our upcoming videos how to launch how to integrate the rest of the services to functioning of this setup in the internet. Okay, thank you so much.